doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown.
What's kicking, Shark Mates? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty here
guys?
at Wrapsesh in Mesa, Arizona. We are on part 3 of our video series on the Carbon Cat, which you can see here behind us. So we had one episode doing the door jams in vinyl. Our last episode was installing the Dyno Carbon Gloss.
Steckins.
From STEK.
STEK.
Which we're almost done with. We're getting down to the...
I think we just have the bumper left, yeah.
Well, we got some things. There's lots of things still.
Small things.
Many things. But we wanted to do an episode specifically on the stripe kit because this is probably like the worst way you could possibly create a stripe kit.
It's the most risky. Because
there's a lot of problems that we encountered that we weren't expecting when we started the job.
Well, the biggest problem that we were having with this is nothing sticks to this carbon fiber because it's hydrophobic.
Yeah, so that's the first thing you have to remember.
Yeah.
This is a hydrophobic surface, so it basically feels like it's ceramic coated. Like if you put vinyl on this, it will not stick.
Super smooth.
So we have this custom hood, roof, and trunk stripe kit design that were originally doing in red reflective from Arlon Illuminite. We were originally we were originally just going to plot that stripe kit. We were going to print red, plot the stripe kit, and put it on top of the carbon fiber, right? That's like that makes the most sense.
Yeah.
That's what we do for vinyl, right?
In a perfect world.
But then we got the film, we started talking to STEK while we were planning this job out, and we realized that, oh crap, it's hydrophobic and nothing will stick to it. So what are we gonna do now? So we're like thinking about it, and we're like, oh, we'll just cut the stripe kit out in the carbon and put that on top of the red. So that's what we started doing when we started this job a few weeks ago.
Yeah.
So we installed the hood, roof, and trunk in the red reflective film.
Which the hood was over.
The hood was like 54 inches, and the print vinyl was only 48 inches.
So we had to stretch the hood.
So we had to stretch the hood to get it in one piece.
Yeah.
Then we get to the point of, okay, we're gonna plot our stripe kit on the carbon and just lay the negative version of it on top of the reflective. Are you guys keeping up with me? So then we put a test piece through the plotter, and we realized that the little clamps on the plotter that hold the film would actually make black pressure marks on the carbon fiber.
Yeah. But those do come out
Sometimes.
so far.
So it was basically making pressure marks, black pressure marks, because the 2 layers of the carbon fiber clear brow were sticking together, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we didn't know if that would permanently damage the film or if it would go away, but it was basically leaving little black squares every couple of inches where the plotter would stop. So we're like, oh crap, we can't plot this stripe kit. Like, how are we gonna do this? We can't put vinyl on top of the carbon.
Nope.
Right? And we can't send the carbon through the plotter. So what are we gonna do?
Hand cut the whole thing.
So us being over wrappers and over committers, we hand cut this whole stripe kit design. The whole thing on the carbon fiber on a table.
She did.
It was very meticulous. It probably took me 10 hours. We basically had to cut the whole stripe kit in just scrap vinyl, apply that to here, tape this all to the table, and then hand cut just straight lines all day long. So I want you guys to get this camera up close and check this stripe kit out, because honestly, you guys would never be able to tell that this was hand cut. Like, it looks like it's plotted. I don't think STEK has ever had to do anything like that. We've never had to do anything like that.
Yeah.
I mean, usually we plot stripe kits or we create them by hand with knifeless tape, but we've never had to pre-cut them on the table.
Well, I feel like even if it didn't make the marks, you couldn't plot this anyways, just because of how hard it is to cut.
Well, if you get thick enough, you probably could. You just have to cut deeper.
you'd have to cut all the way through it.
I've cut regular clear bra on the plotter, but I haven't cut this stuff.
Well, no, you have to cut through 2 layers, so it would have to go completely through.
It would
and
be
cut
pretty.
through.
It's pretty thick.
Yeah.
Bottom line. So we are going to be showcasing the install of the carbon fiber stripes on the hood, roof, and trunk. And then stay tuned. In a few weeks, we'll have the full car reveal for the Carbon Cat. Finally.
Yeah.
We got a couple more days to just grind on this. So.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making,
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this stripe kit ridiculousness.
Carbon Cat.
The Carbon Cat. Carbon.
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 Come on, my man. You know how to fly this thing?
So anyways, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are gonna have our final video out of this 4-part series, which is gonna be the reveal of the whole car all done. Try to get a photo shoot, do some cool things and stuff. And then make sure to keep up with us on our daily fun at Facebook and Instagram, Vinyl Vixen Wraps and Wrapsesh AZ. And please, please, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrapsesh vibe. Whoa! You did it! Super
I can't go
size.
so high.
No, do it!
No,
Do it!
you can't make me.
Babe!
So I'm gonna dive into